how to see hours played on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can see hours played on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you have played a certain game for a certain amount of time, you might be interested in knowing the play time for those games. And in order to find this, what you actually need to do is you just need to head over to this particular option from the top of the navigation menu known as Profile. And once you go to this option right here known as Profile, you're going to be able to set this interface. Or on the left hand side, you'll find the option called Games, and on the right hand side, you'll find all of the times according to the games that you have played. Now keep in mind that in my case, I haven't happened to play a particular game, so you're not being able to see the option. But if you have, then you will definitely find all the options to actually, and you'll see your hours played as well. So this way you should be able to see hours played on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.